See, the problem is many people don't understand that there are different ways of doing these formulas. Let me zoom in real quick and let me just show you just a couple of examples. So a couple ways to do formulas. You can actually, I'm just going to type it out, go to the formulas bar, but there are three ways that this could be done. Understand that with Excel, you have to, with formulas, type it in a way that Excel understands what you're talking about. That's how you have to do with Excel. Many other software programs are like this, but Excel happens to be one of them. So your equal sign, what are you going to be using as your formula? I'll use one many know about, and that's as far as addition. And if you notice, as I type this, the other formulas comes out as well. But in this case, we're going to concentrate on some.